Here is my USB switch. I haven't made the case for it yet, but I will do. This is just a demo to see how it works. So as you can see, there's a DPDT switch, double polarity, double throw. Currently it's all the way to the left, which means that the computer on my left I can control with my mouse and keyboard, which are both connected via a wireless USB. On my normal Windows computer, you can see that I can't move anything, and that's because I haven't moved the switch to the right. If I move it all to the right, you can hear the sounds. And now I can control my PC with the keyboard. If I go on Notepad, click Enter, you can also see that I can type on it. Don't save that. And if I move the switch to the center, you can see it's disconnected on the Windows. I can't move it on this computer, and nor can I move it on my PC. So the center basically eliminates both of them. And that is how I made a USB switcher. Also, the dimensions are so that I can connect it to my Raspberry Pi without need for an extension cable, which is why I needed to connect it to my PC, which is down there. So yeah, here's a bit of the wiring. Not the neatest, but it's going to be in a case, so it doesn't really matter. And these are USB breakout boards. And yeah, I think that's it.